I'm going to show you how to set the force and travel limits on the Guardian 928 jackshaft motor. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with the limit button. And you're going to click that limit button and the green light will show up. So you're going to run it to the up position. And where you would like to stop is right at the top of the opening. And you can toggle the button to get it right where you want it. And then you just hit limit and it sets the up position. So now you're going to do limit and limit to start the down position. So you're going to run it down to where you would like it to stop. And you don't want to over compress the door when it's in the down position. So you just kind of want to get it right at the floor. And then you're going to set the limit button. So like that. And then you hit limit again. Now the up and down limits are set. So now you're going to start the force settings. With a Guardian, you can just hit the force button and it'll run the door up and it will run it down. So now it lets you know it's done once it beeps like that and the light comes on. If you're having trouble with your garage door or garage door operator, contact us today.